Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to fix the 403 forbidden. Whenever you try to visit your website, uh, just show you this forbidden. You don't have permission to access on this server, so it's pretty easy to fix this. So first of all, go to the file manager and create a new folder. Okay, you have to create the public underscore HTML. Okay, that's it. You have to create this folder and click on create. And after you create this, you have to move this to file and come up to this top here and select, click on a move and click on that. And here, as you can see, the destination, click on send and click on public HTML and click on select this and click on move. So it's done. So let's refresh our web page and see. Yeah, as you can see, it works perfectly. As you can see, it runs without any error. So this is how you solve the 403 forbidden. So let me try it again. Okay, so as you can see, it runs perfect without any issue. So I hope this video solves your problem. So please consider like and subscribe to this channel, and see you guys in my another video. Peace.